The Good Samaritan that was on hand to help Hansle Parchment in his Olympic quest is getting a lot of love and support and was seen wearing her Jamaican Olympic shirt. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Well, most of you must have seen the video with Hansle Parchment being assisted by a Japanese in getting to the venue to secure his top ultimate position of becoming the 110-meter hurdles champion in the Tokyo Olympics. So as you know, this female that helped him, she has been getting a lot of love on social media since this video came out, and I can tell you, we just want to take this opportunity here at Links 007 TV just to congratulate this female and thank her for her kind gesture towards someone that she knew nothing about. She did not even knew that he was an Olympic champion or would become an Olympic champion, and she gave him that cash in order to secure a vehicle so he could get to the venue. So we just want to say thanks to her once more. In the video that was posted by Hansle Parchment, Hansle Parchment could be seen handing this female a shirt, and she's actually wearing the shirt right now, and she took a picture of it and posted on her Instagram account. So she goes by the name Trijana. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correct. And she's a Good Samaritan who gave taxi fare to the Olympic champion Hansle Parchment in Japan, and she proudly wears a Jamaican shirt with the Jamaican flag gifted to her at the Tokyo Olympic as a thank you from Hansle Parchment. She also took the time to make a post on her Instagram account, and I want to update you with that. I am full of gratitude to everyone. This is a gift from dear Hansle Parchment. Faith. Thank you so much, dear Hansle. Thank you for your kind thoughts, everyone. I can thank you enough. Your words saved me a lot. I pray for everyone health and happiness. So that was a post made on her official Instagram account. A number of people also under this have taken to social media in order just to congratulate her on helping Hansle Parchment as well the way she did. Simone Henry said, continue to show kindness, it will sure come back to you. That was what one individual wrote. Kenil Cole said, look how she turned good. I would have take a taxi fare from her right now. She a half Jamaican already. You know, see her here. That was what Kenil Cole said. Another individual wrote with the caption, Nola Wright, this is lovely. So good to see you in our colors. Thanks for your act of kindness, Trijana. Looking forward to your visit, and I believe she's referring to Jamaica. Much love from Jamaica, she wrote. So those are just some of the comments being made after this female actually assisted the Jamaican Olympic 110-meter hurdles champion, and she's just getting that love and that warm camaraderie of the Jamaican people. And I just want to take this opportunity once more just to thank her for the kind gesture Jatsi did, and I can tell you that this goes a far way just to show you that you still have good people out there that care and love and would like to see the best for others. And I just want to take this opportunity just to say thank her once more for what she did. It really went a far way in helping Jamaica secure the 110-meter hurdles finals and also becoming the champion of that event at the Tokyo Olympics. So much love goes out to you. I will put our official Instagram page for those who want to go over and follow her as well. But it just goes to show you that in life everything is possible, and whenever you have that help and that drive and that push, you can succeed. So much love goes out to her once more, and I can tell you that the fans right now are just giving her that warm love of Jamaica and that warm camaraderie of the people, and they are just showing her that love that she deserved after helping the Jamaican Olympic champion to secure that gold medal spot. Hansle Parchment as well also did a wonderful gesture just in order to show the world that people out there still are able to help others, and no matter how small it is, it just goes to show you that kindness can go a far way. This is where I'm going to leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. They're going to take you out with Hansle Parchment thanking his coach for all he did in helping him to secure his Olympic medal. So this is where we say so long for now. Links 007 TV signing out for this report.
I'm just here recording this to big up my coach, Mr. Coleman. Of course, he was instrumental in me getting to this gold medal. He probably worked 2 or 3 times as hard as I did. He was most worried when I wasn't able to do all the proper preparation that he had set out for me. He was there, you know, for motivation, for helping to keep my head in the game and making sure that I maintained that tunnel vision when I went out there. So I just want to big him up every time. Coach has always been there. We've been working now for close to 10, maybe 11 years now. And that's a whole lot of time. We've had our fights here and there, but of course that is normal in any relationship. But we work together closely, and you know, I'm most happy for him because it's been a long time coming. I've had numerous setbacks and we finally did it. I just want to say, Coach, I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, because this is very much your gold medal as it is mine. So big up yourself, take good care of yourself, and I look forward to start back some work again. Alright, take good care.